Friends, this is Girish. Welcome to G Fitness Artist YouTube channel. This is the second part of my previous video. In my previous video, I described how to increase testosterone naturally. So in that video itself, I have described two factors are very much important in improving your fitness or bodybuilding. So those two factors are testosterone and growth hormone. So in this video, I'm going to describe how to increase growth hormone naturally. So let's go to the video. As fitness or bodybuilding. Human growth hormone is very essential in increasing your basal metabolic rate, and also it helps in improving the muscle building. So these are the two factors which are essential in both fitness as well as bodybuilding. So what are the natural techniques to boost our human growth hormone? First technique is called intermittent fasting or normal fasting. So what is intermittent fasting? So I'll give an example. Some of the people had conducted a fasting of 24 hours continuously, which means a single day, whole day of fasting, and in a week I'm saying. So these people, I'm saying the men who had undergone this study has increased their human growth hormone level up to 2000% from their base. So thing is that it's not possible for everybody to undergo 24 hours fasting in a week. So I used to follow a different technique. In my technique which I followed was, for the first 3 days in a week, I used to have a normal calorie diet, which according to my recommendations, body recommendations, I used to take a normal calorie diet. And after the third day, which means after Wednesday, Thursday I'll be having a diet restricted up to 300 to 400 calories. So after that, again 3 days I'll be having a diet which is normal according to my recommendations of calories. And the very next day I'll be following again 300-400 calorie diet. So that is one technique. The other technique that I followed was like we used to have a proper sleep of 8 hours, which is healthy sleep. So in that period of 8 hours, we are not eating anything. So we are actually fasting at that period, and plus the 8 hours before the sleep. So total of 16 hours we can fast. So in a day of 24 hours, 16 hours fasting, 8 hours sleep, plus before that 8 hours. And so before 16 hours, 8 hours is there. We can eat and have food in that 8 hours. So we can actually do the fasting one day in every week in the way I said, like 300-400 calories. That technique is one thing. This technique is both the techniques I have actually practiced, and it's very useful for increasing my human growth hormone. The second technique is to avoid processed food and refined carbohydrates. Processed food in the sense like pizza is one of the processed food, and refined carbohydrates, I'll say sugar. So reduce the intake of sugar. So studies have shown that by taking processed food as well as sugar in your diet reduces human growth hormone. So you should be very careful by increasing while you are increasing or involving sugar in your diet. So be very careful about that. So the third technique is taking supplements. So what are the supplements? So it's actually in the discussion form that many of the people, even doctors, are saying that melatonin and GABA supplements are the two supplements which increases the human growth hormone. So GABA supplement is very safe, like you can take in recommended dosages. It is available in online stores and also in supplement stores. But while going for melatonin supplement, there is a caution. The thing is that if you are going for a melatonin supplement, you should have an advice from the doctor, because melatonin supplement actually controls your sleep cycle. So you should have a healthy advice from the doctor before taking melatonin supplements. After that, so there are some general supplements that can be taken, that is vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E supplement. Along with that, you can also go for beta-alanine and L-arginine supplements. These supplements actually boost your human growth hormone. But instead of taking supplements, we can also obtain all these things from diet also. Diet in the sense what to eat. Legumes, include all kind of legumes in your food, plus you can include nuts and seeds. Nuts in the sense hazelnut, Brazil nut, peanut, walnut, and seed in the sense you can include sunflower seed. So including all these things in your diet and following the things that I follow, you have to do one more thing. Obviously exercise. So what kind of exercise? In the last video I have said that high intensity training increases testosterone. Same way, high intensity training also improves human growth hormone. What is high intensity training? That is clearly explained in my previous video. So practice high intensity training to improve your testosterone as well as growth hormone. So I have covered both testosterone and as well as human growth hormone. For my next video, some of my friends used to say, like, you just create a video to reduce face fat, and some of my other friends say, no, just give us some tips so suddenly we can reduce weight and all. So two options are there, to how to reduce face fat, how to reduce the weight, and shortcuts for that. So what do you recommend? I want to know you from you, my viewers, what's your recommendation, and I want to design my videos according to your priority. So kindly give your recommendations in my comment box, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and also click the bell icon. So till then, I'm coming with the next video soon, but according to your recommendations, I'm signing off. Girish, bye bye.